For now, it looks like NASA's telescopes are safe, but what's going to happen when Congress makes that final funding decision? So NASA's trying to get its budget ready for 2025, something that you and I should be doing too. But in doing so, they're considering cutting the funding on two of its major telescopes, Hubble and Chandra. You may know Hubble from all the images of the universe that you may have seen before JWST became popular. And we don't really hear about Chandra as much, but that's the telescope that focuses on looking at X-rays, both being equally important. But the bigger question here is, why cut funding? Well, obviously, so much time and resources go into these projects, but for them to remain operational, they require a constant supply of our attention and money. But with newer technology and research coming out, and with a potentially limited budget, it also makes sense to move on from these older projects when it's time. I'm not sure which approach is the right one here, but that's essentially what's happening. NASA's somewhat on the same page, wanting to cut the budget for Hubble and Chandra so that they can fund other missions in the future. This budget cut proposal included cutting Hubble's budget by 10% and Chandra's by 40%. And 40% is a huge number. Experts have even said that Chandra might not really be fully operational anymore on that big of a funding decrease. But at the time of this recording, Congress hasn't approved the budget yet, so as of now, both telescopes are operating just how they used to. Congress will most likely have a decision by the end of the year, so that's when we'll know when to expect less out of these telescopes. Obviously, it's a bummer to see some of these programs go, but it's also a good thing in a way. Bigger and better things are coming. For example, there's an idea of a future mission called AXIS, which is an advanced X-ray imaging satellite. And there's also PRIMA, which focuses on infrared light. So while NASA waits to see how much money they'll have to work with, these new projects will definitely keep our space exploration going strong. Please be sure to like and subscribe for more updates.